From N5 to JLPT N4. This is lesson number 20. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, ことになる, which means it is decided that. So the meaning is this. ことになる means it is decided that. It turns out that. It focuses on the fact that something has been decided or has turned out a certain way rather than on who made the decision. So it's not I decided. On the previous lesson you learned ことにする grammar format. That means I decide that. But this time, who made the decision is not important. The focus is on the fact that something has been decided, not I decided. So the difference is this. ことにする, the previous lesson, means that I decide. So the speaker makes the decision by themselves. The focus is on the speaker, who made the decision. But this time, ことになる means it is decided, it turns out. So who made the decision, that is not important. The focus is on the fact that something has been decided. So here, the focus is on the decision or the result itself, not on who decided it. That's the difference between ことにする and ことになる. Grammar format is this. You can use either dictionary form or nai form and then add ことになる. I will show you two examples. 手術を受けることになった. This means it has been decided that I will have surgery. Or it can mean it turned out that I will have surgery. So it doesn't mean I decided to have surgery. It only means it has been decided. It's not I decided. That's the key. One more example. It has been decided that I will move to a different town next month. 来月、違う町に引っ越すことになりました。So it doesn't mean I decided to move to a different town. The meaning here is, it has been decided that I will move to a different town. So it's not I decided. The focus is on the fact that it's been decided. Now I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. Because my health is not good, it was decided that I will take a week off work. 体調が悪いので、仕事を1週間休むことになった。To take a week off work. It's this part. 1週間休むことになった。1週間 means a week. And it's a time duration word, so there is no particle. No particle needed after a time duration word. And this is a dictionary form, therefore, after this add ことになった. It says ことになった because it's past tense. It was decided. So the focus is not who made the decision. The focus is on this has been decided. Next one. It has been decided that I will go on a business trip to China from the 1st to the 10th. 1日から10日まで中国に出張することになった。 出張する means to go on a business trip, and this is in the dictionary form, so after that add ことになった。Who made the decision? It's not important. The focus is on the fact that it has been decided. So now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. 体調が悪いので仕事を1週間休むことになった。1日から10日まで中国に出張することになった。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。